嗨，各位同学好，欢迎来到 Forex 自然音标 Forex 自然音标的课程。今天老师为你介绍的是 Vocabulary of the Day。Vocabulary of the Day。同样的，我们今天可以到 cn.com 去寻找 Headline News of the Day。Headline News of the Day 本日焦点新闻。同学们，我们可以利用 CNN 的焦点新闻中的单字来去学习一些美式拼音的逻辑。Okay, students, let's go to the cn.com and looking for the headline news of the day. And today, just browsing around the front page of the cnn.com, right here, under the section Around the World, the headline article title, Could Telescope Detect Alien Life? Could telescope detect alien life? Could telescope detect alien life? Okay. If you want to study this topic with me, let's see. When we click on the link, it will redirect us into the inside news of this article. Okay, now it's time. If you want to study this article with me, on the top right hand side right here, from the search bar of the CNN, please type the article title right here. China looks to the stars with creation of world's largest radio telescope. China looks to the stars with creation of world's largest radio telescope. China looks to the stars with creation of world's largest radio telescope. Okay, students, if you want to study with me, let's read along with me. Hong Kong CNN, is there anybody out there? A massive engineering and scientific project in China is expected to take us one step closer in our quest to discover if we are truly alone in the universe. The country's military-led space program is constructing the world's largest radio telescope, the 500-meter aperture spherical telescope, the ORFAST, and Chinese state media recently released images of the amazing structure nearing completion. The massive construction project, when completed, the dish itself will be the size of 30 football pitches, has the potential to be a game changer for our understanding of the universe and our search for life on other planets. When it is finished, it will potentially be able to detect radio signals and potentially signs of life from planets orbiting a million stars and solar systems. Okay, I'm going to stop right here. And then here I have prepared a note for you guys to study. Okay. At first, please read along the headline news title with me first. Around the world. Could telescope detect alien life? Around the world. Could telescope detect alien life? Around the world, could telescope detect alien life? Okay, students, now it's time. We have 2 vocabulary words for you to study today. And all you need to do is just listen to the vocabulary words and write it down. And we'll check the spelling after the pronunciation. Okay, the first vocabulary words telescope, telescope, telescope. And second vocabulary words, universe, universe, universe. Okay, I'm going to repeat the pronunciation one more time, so listen carefully. The first vocabulary words, telescope, telescope, telescope. And the second vocabulary word, universe, universe, universe. Okay, students, let's check the vocabulary words. The first vocabulary word, telescope, telescope, telescope. And the second vocabulary word, universe, universe, universe. And now it's time to discuss those two vocabulary words with its meaning, usage, pronunciation, and definition. And we use spelling bee, spelling improvement, and skill. Okay, the first vocabulary word, please follow me. Telescope, telescope, telescope. Definition of, I'm going to enlarge the fonts first. Definition of telescope in English, noun, an optical instrument designed to make distant objects appear nearer, containing an arrangement of lenses or of curved mirrors and lenses by which rays of light are collected and focused, and the resulting image magnified. Example sentences: we use electromagnetic wave to detect and image object. Light waves for optical microscopes and telescopes. Electrons for electron microscopes and radar. Origin: mid-17th century, from Italian terroscopio or modern Latin terroscopian, from teller at a distance and scopian. See scope. Okay, I'm going to repeat the pronunciation the definition one more time, so listen carefully and follow me. Telescope, telescope, telescope. Definition of telescope in English, noun, an optical instrument designed to make distant objects appear nearer, containing an arrangement of lenses or of curved mirrors and lenses by which rays of light are collected and focused, and the resulting image magnified. Example sentences: we use electromagnetic waves to detect and image objects. Light waves for optical microscopes and telescopes. Electrons for electron microscopes and radar. Origin: mid-17th century, from Italian terroscopio or modern Latin terroscopian, from teller at a distance and scopian. See scope. Okay, the second vocabulary word, universe. Universe, universe. Definition of universe in English, noun, the universe. All existing matter and space considered as a whole, the cosmos. The universe is believed to be at least 10 billion light years in diameter and contains a vast number of galaxies. It has been expanding since its creation in the Big Bang about 13 billion years ago. Example sentences: among the many mysteries in the universe is the dark matter in galaxies and clusters. Origin: late Middle English, from Old French, universe, or Latin universum, neuter of universes combined into one whole from unit 1 versus turn past participle of verti. Okay, students, I'm going to repeat the pronunciation definition one more time. So follow me this time. Universe, universe, universe. Definition of universe in English: the universe, all existing matter and space considered as a whole, the cosmos. The universe is believed to be at least 10 billion light years in diameter and contains a vast number of galaxies. It has been expanding since its creation in the Big Bang about 13 billion years ago. Example sentences: among the many mysteries in the universe is the dark matter in galaxies and clusters. Origin: Learn Middle English from Old French universe or Latin universum. Neuter of universes combined into one whole from unit 1 versus turn past participle of verti. Okay, students, now it's time. Let's redefine those two vocabulary words using phonophonic spelling improvement and the scale. 我们用自然音标的方式解释这两个单词。第一个 telescope。OK， 我们先看 telescope 第一个单词，17世纪 mid-17th century from Italian telescopio, modern Latin telescopian 啊，所以我们看 tele 就是距离 distance，scopian 啊，当然我们要看它的另外的解释了哈。所以我们看它的重音哈，双重音在1-3音节，双音在1-3音节，所以我们看它是 strong、weak、strong 啊，它是 strong、weak、strong 的一个组合 ，strong syllable， 再过来是 weak syllable， 然后再来是 strong syllable。OK， 所以我们先把两个 strong 的画出来，所以我们必须先找出这两个 strong syllable 中的拼音。那当然在 weak 的地方，我们先补一个弱音节在这边，补一个在这边好，那我们看 tell tell 第一个它是 onset 是 t 所以它是有首音是 t， 然后它的 nucleus 合音是 e，coda 是 l， 所以我们在 teller 的这个地方 telescope， 在 teller 的这个地方，它的组合是 CVC consonant vowel consonant 也就是 consonant 母音子音 vowel consonant 这个组合 CVC。那 CVC 的时候，我们找到第一个母音的地方，加上后面的组合，也就是 V 加 C 的组合所以它是一个母子音，就我们念 tell， 短母音 tell， 那 E 是弱母音 teller， 所以我们不要看第一个首音我们不要看第一个那个首音，我们只要看它的nucleus 它的合音加它的 coda， 也就是它等于它的 rhyme， 也就是押韵的音所以第一个押韵音就 V 加 C 母子音短母音 teller 所以短母音再配上一个轻母音。那第三个音节音乐也是弱音节，所以我们看它的 onset 所以在母音前的前两个子音，也就是首音是 SC， 所以我们念 sk，follow by nucleus 它的母合音在 O， 注意它的尾音，它的 coda 在 PE， 所以它是 SCOPE consonant vowel consonant E， 所以它是 VCE 的组合 vowel consonant E， 所以 E 不发音，跳过 O， 把 O 拉成长母音。再看一遍 SCOPE vowel consonant E， 把 O 拉成长母音 scope， 所以再看 teller tell the scope， 好，再看一下 tell the scope tell the scope tell the scope telescope telescope telescope。 OK， 我们看第二个字 universe 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 也蛮好玩的哈，所以我们看它是从中古世纪哈，中晚期的英文，来自古法文 universe， 所以本来拼法就只是少个 e 啊，或拉丁的 universal 啊，或者 neuter of universes 啊，所以我们看什么意思呢 ？unit 就是 one 的意思，一个 ，versus 就是 tuned， 好 turned 所以 one turned 一个转变一个转变就是宇宙一个转变当然听起来蛮合理的所以它是双重音1-3音节。那1-3音节特别好玩的就是第一个音节，我们看它是 u interpon u break interpon ni break verse， 对不对？所以